Hey everybody, did you know there's two types of corset mesh? The first type is the soft corset mesh and the second type is the rigid soft corset mesh. In this video, I will show you 8 companies. I will show you the textures and what colors they have. I will also have a bonus for you. I am not sponsored by any of these companies. I did it because I love my subscribers. So please give this video a like and share it so it can help other creators. You guys will have different places to buy from. Are you ready? Let's get into this. I'm going to start with the rigid soft corset mesh companies. I have 3 companies from Etsy.com. Let's start with Shop for Fairies. This color is light nude. Let me show you what it looks like. It's non-stretch on both sides. It does fray a little bit. And it's transparent. The texture is rigid. And it has a soft stiffness to it. This is what it sounds like. These are the colors they have, and if you look under it, you will see that the customers gave them 5 stars, which is really good. The next company from Etsy is called A to Z Fabrics. First, I'm going to start off by saying, wow, this color is nice. I love it so far. Now let's check it out. It has no stretch on neither side. Let me know in the comments if you like this color. I have another pretty brown from another company coming up soon in the video, so stay tuned. These are the colors they have, and this company has 5 stars, so it's a good company to buy from. The third company from Etsy is called Bespoke. This company sells on Etsy and they have their own website. It's called bespoke.com. Now this company is very popular and a lot of designers buy from them. As you can see, I buy a lot from them. It's something about their mesh that keeps me coming back. They have 2 types of rigid nylon mesh that's great for making a corset. The first one is called fine weave and the second one is called medium weave. Let's start with the fine weave. The material feels soft but stiff. The color is tan and is transparent. As you can see, it doesn't stretch on neither side. Their fine weave is light but sturdy, and it's a little bit stronger than most. I also have the fine weave in black. It's the same as the tan. I like using the black for my projects a lot. Next is the medium weave. This one is a little heavier than the fine weave, and it's stronger. Let me show you the difference between the fine weave and the medium weave. This is the fine weave, and this is the medium weave. When I scrunch it, you can see the difference. You will notice that the medium weave is a little thicker. Can you see the difference? I also have the medium weave in white and I bought it in black too, but I used it for the next video. Teaser alert! They do have it in dark brown. Unfortunately, I couldn't buy it to show you because it was sold out. You gotta check the website to see if they have more because the brown sells out fast. They did tell me that a new shipment will be coming in a week, so go check them out for the brown one. This is where I buy my fusible bonding web, also called Stitch Witchery. They sell it by the yard. This version is not backed up with paper. I also have the small hemming tape from Amazon, but most of the time I use this one. They are my first option. If they are sold out, then I have other places to buy it, but they are my go-to. Next up is FabricCity.com. Ooh, here's another pretty brown. I love this color already. Let's check it out. It has no stretch on neither side. The material is stiff but soft. It's transparent and these are the colors they have. This color is really pretty. These companies sell fast with the brown colors. They do restock, but the brown moves quickly. When I order this color, I usually like 7 yards because people buy them fast. Don't say I didn't tell you guys. They also sell other fabrics and they do ship fast. And she's also a fashion designer. Go ahead over to her website and go and support her. Alright guys, next up is AliExpress. Now with AliExpress, they have 3 different weights for the corset mesh. These are all rigid corset meshes, so here are the weights. 80 mesh is medium soft, 60 mesh is medium hard, and 40 mesh is hard. Do not buy 40 mesh hard for corset mesh. It's too hard and it's made for like petticoats that go under the skirts, things that need stiff structure. I do like shopping with AliExpress, but just be aware that AliExpress is addictive. The prices are cheap, but their shipping is usually 2 weeks to a month. I will show you 3 companies from AliExpress. They are all the same materials, it's just different companies selling them from AliExpress. I know these 3 companies are going to sell out, so I bought enough for myself because I know after this video, they're going to be low in stock. Let's start with the first company from AliExpress. This is 80 Mesh Medium Soft. It's rigid and transparent. The color is skin color. I also bought the 80 Mesh Medium Soft in white. The next one is from the same company and it's 60 Mesh Medium Hard. As you can see, it's a little bit heavier than the 80 Mesh. The color is skin color. Next is the second company from AliExpress. It's 80 Mesh Medium Soft. The color is skin color. It's the same material as the first company. So if the first company is sold out, you can buy it here. Next up is the last company from AliExpress. This one is 80 Mesh Medium Soft. The color is black. It's rigid but soft and transparent. These are the 3 companies in AliExpress that I buy from that sell the rigid soft corset mesh. Now let's get into the soft corset mesh. This is the soft corset mesh. It's not rigid, it feels soft, and I usually have to double it up. It's a nice material and some designers like using this one. This one is the rigid soft corset mesh that I've been showing you, and you can see that they are different materials. So let's start with the nude color. It doesn't stretch on neither side, it doesn't fray, and it's soft, not stiff. It's also transparent, and you can double it up if you want. I usually like to double it up. I also have it in white, and I have it in light nude. It doesn't stretch, it's soft, and this is how it looks doubled up. I like the nude color more. This is nude, and this is light nude. Yay! Extra bonus time! Let's get into the illusion mesh. Here is blingimports.com. This company is the best so far for the nude illusion mesh. Hands down. Their illusion mesh is soft and you can't even tell if a person is wearing it. That's how good it is. Fashion designers always say their mesh is nice. And one thing about me, I like to do my research to see what they're talking about. And I found out that many designers like to buy from this company. So I decided to message the company. And guess what, guys? I got a package from them. Let's check it out. Let's start with the first mesh. It's a 2-way stretch, which means it stretches only on the cross grain. The color is vanilla. It's soft. And when you stretch it, it bounces back. You see that, right? Have you ever had an illusion mesh and it stretches out on the top? As you can see, the mesh bounces back to the original size. The next shade is medium vanilla. It's a 2-way stretch, and this is how it looks. I think this one is for my complexion. What do you think? Do you think it's this one or the vanilla? Next up is brown sugar. Brown sugar, babe. I get high off your love, I don't know how to behave. I want some of your brown sugar. Okay, guys, let's continue. Before I start singing up in here. And I cannot sing, so let's move on. Next up, we have regular brown. It's a 2-way stretch, and this is how it looks. And this one is called cacao. I am so thankful that this company looked out. So tell me, which shade are you going to be ordering? Let me know in the comments. Also, if you ever bought from this company, let me know how you feel about your illusion mesh. The owner of Bling Imports is also a fashion designer, so go over there and support her. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give this video a like and share it so it can help other people who want to learn about fashion. I have more videos coming. If you want to learn more about corsets or bustiers, then this playlist is for you. Click or tap on the screen right here. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to practice, practice, practice. Bye everybody.